Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today, I just want to show you another fall backdrop idea. This one, I have the same exact drapes. I just took off my metallic drape, and I definitely will leave a link to that video in the description below. But in my living room, we bought us like this fireplace slash heater. So we bought this white fireplace, and I am just gonna do a fall design with this. So I end up taking the second layer off so that I can do a design in front of this fireplace slash heater that we bought. And then this centerpiece here is a DIY made with all Dollar Tree items except for the crystals here, and I made this last year, and I will link that video that explains to you how I created this. Okay, so just doing another fall design. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the outside drapes, not the one that I'm using to cover my poles. I'm gonna let that one be. And then I'm gonna, it's like a spot here on my pole that has like these lines. So that's where I'm gonna gather the fabric at. So starting with my first orange drape, I'm just gonna do hand over hand. And I'm gonna bring the camera in closer to show you what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do hand over hand, slide it hand over hand like that. This is how you pleat it. And then when I fold it back, you want to make sure this edge is folded back. You don't want that to be like, you don't want this edge to be visible like that. You want to make sure it's folded back. And then I'm going to bring my other drape to me, my brown. And I'm gonna just do the same thing, hand over hand. Slide it over. And then when I get to the edge of my drape, I'm making sure that edge here is folded back. Okay, keep grabbing. So notice how I'm gonna turn this back. Like I'm not gonna have that facing that way. I'm gonna fold that back, and then again repeat, hand over hand. I have 3 of these brown drapes, so here we go. Wait, I want to make sure that edge is not facing that way, so I'm gonna turn it and then just continue. And get to the pole. Take your pipe cleaner. So this is what I have so far. I am going to puddle my drapes and then give them some steam. Just want to show you how I puddle this. So I'm basically taking the fabric, and like rolling it at the bottom and tucking it. So that this pipe cleaner is not visible, I am taking fabric and I'm gonna pin it right here. So it's not visible. And I'm putting the pin in the back. And there you go. So I wish I could finish this design today, but I am waiting on a runner to go on top of the fireplace and camouflage this black cord, because you do not want that to be shown in your design. But I've had that runner shipped to me twice, left on my porch, and somebody has stolen it from me twice. So I will be here to retrieve it tomorrow, and I will go ahead and finish this design, but I'm just gonna go ahead and steam these drapes, and then I'm just gonna wait for my package tomorrow, and I will finish this video. To the fireplace. So I put some leaf garland and a runner. Now, when I step back, you're not gonna see the cord or the plug. I will link all of my materials below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.